So I made it to the NSRA Street Rod Nationals here in Louisville, Kentucky. Pulled inside here, about to get these cars unloaded. The black 69 Mustang, I'm just going to drive around, get me in and out of the gate this weekend. And then the GTO was going in the Wheelwood booth. So yeah, let's get these things unstrapped, unloaded, wiped down, then our weekend can start. All right, it's Thursday, day one here at the NSRA Street Rod Nationals in Louisville, Kentucky. We've got the GTO here cleaned up in the Wheelwood booth, and we're about to go walk around inside, see what's here, enjoy some of this air conditioning, go check out Builder Showcase. So let's go check it out. So we're walking up now on some of the Builder Showcase cars. These are all Builder vehicles, some of the best out here. Let's see what they got. These are two pretty fresh builds from our friends Brad's Star Rod Custom, Paducah. They do some killer work. So that Chevelle was a Street Machine of the Year finalist, and that coupe was a Street Rod of the Year contender. So we got Carl over here, a GTO, Garrett's Rod Shop. All right, it is day two, Friday here at the NSRA Street Rod Nationals South in Louisville. Beautiful weather, cool cars. We are headed over to the swap meet early before it gets too hot. Check out all the junk over there, see what we can buy. So see what they got.
Terms and conditions apply.
All right, so we went to the swap meet. Y'all got to see some of that cool junk in there. It's nice and sunny and hot out here, and we are headed to the Pro Speak area, which is sponsored by Lumicraft. So this is a judging area that you can take your vehicle to. We're gonna see what kind of cool stuff showed up today. Alright, so it's Friday and it is hot out here this afternoon. So let's go walk around inside, see what they got on display in here. Day 3, Saturday here at the NSRA Street Rod Nationals. Just pulled in the gates. We'll go cruise around for a minute, see what's here. Get ready for the day. It'll be another warm, sunny, beautiful one. So hopefully we can see what's cool little cars. Alright, it's Sunday, the last day here at the NSRA Street Rod Nationals. I've got the Mustang already loaded in the trailer. Called Rod Back with Mac Crum, 61 Impala. We'll go check a few things out, and then as soon as we can, we'll get that GPO out of the Wimwood booth, load in that trailer, and headed south toward Tennessee. So we'll see what they got on this last day out here in Louisville. Alright, so here we are in the Circle of Winners, which is where all the pit cars are from us. They pick some from inside and outside, some of those specialty parking areas. You see there's quite a few in here, questioning stuff. Yeah, everybody that gets the parking here on Sunday to be displayed. Pretty cool.
Maybe. That's the same color.
Oh, hi. Well, hey, what's up? When y'all gonna build something like this?
That's not